Hello, my name's Andy and welcome to the garage. It's like some sort of communication wagon there. Try and get a better look at it. It's an Austin Mark II radio truck, Lesley. Looks intact, looks okay, not too bad. Ferret Scout car, Lesley again. Not sure if it should have something in the turret, machine gun or something. Looks like a German style half-track personnel carrier, Lesley again. Obviously the tracks have gone. There we go. What we got here? Saladin armoured car. Lesley again. It's going in. So that's 4. Is this some sort of Scammell breakdown truck? Not sure if there's a bit missing there. Looks like the hook's missing, certainly. And then this looks a different scale to the rest. It's a Dinky Toys Army 1-ton cargo truck. Can't see a number on that. The base is rusted a bit. Nice for restoration. Chipperfields Circus, doors, plastic on the insert, so not the first model. That one's cracked a bit, just see it there. What does it say underneath? Circus animal cage. Should have been some perspex tops on there of some sort. They're not there anymore. There's a spare door there, chipped. And the second one, wait, well, new AC will come open. No door on the back of this one. Perhaps that's the spare door I just threw in there. These tow hooks, plastic on both of them. That's going to be one lot by itself. Right, here we have a Jaguar Mark 10. Cracking the glass at the front windscreen. Mark 10 saloon, Corgi toys number 238, made in Great Britain. It's got some headlights, maybe a previous resto long time ago. Here we have a Riley Pathfinder, Corgi toys. Can't see a number. No tyres. Wheels do go round. It's quite nice, this. You can see from the front there, maybe a dip in the roof lining. Little buckle on there. Bit too difficult at my level to restore. Here we have a Jaguar, Mark 10 saloon again, 238, Corgi toys, made in Great Britain. There's a sticker over the glass there. Can't peel that off easily. Looks like sellotape. Glass doesn't look too bad actually. Getting another older rest out. No tyres. Okay, here we have a Land Rover. 4 good tyres. Short wheelbase. 1975. Can't see who made that. Let me just take that away. Britain's. It's a Britain's Land Rover. Guy's still in it, if you can see it. Oh, there we go. No, front windscreen's okay, nothing at the back or the sides. Some holes in the bottom. Right, here we have a Dinky Toys Land Rover, 109, wheelbase, Corgi Toys, sorry. Tyre's a bit iffy there. Front tyre's a bit iffy there, so 2 good tyres. Glass looks okay.